Listen to this, guys. You can get a Model 3. You know the Model 3s by Tesla, that one company that Elon Musk owns? Yeah, you know that company? You could get a Model 3 for $25,000 in California. We'll talk more about that in this video, which is cheaper than a new Toyota Camry, which is at $26,300. That's nuts. Let's talk about it. And mind you, guys, this is only in California, at least to my knowledge, because they have state tax credit and they have the federal tax credit. Let's talk a little bit about that right now. And I forgot to mention, guys, Tesla's been cutting the prices of their cars across I think all markets, maybe not all markets, but most of the markets, right? In the US, in China, and other places. So that on top of the tax credits, you can get a Model 3 for very cheap in any state, and especially in California. You guys can see here, people living in California can effectively cut that bill by over 35% by taking advantage of available state and federal incentives. So $7,500 you can potentially get in federal tax credits, and in California it's another $7,500. So that's $1,500, which again brings it down to $25,240, which is under a Toyota Camry. So boom, guys, if you want a Tesla Model 3 for 25 grand, you can go to California. I guess that's one of the only good reasons to go to California. I don't know. What do you guys think?